Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the girls of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी,
When you touch my way, I'll make you hug it all you got. I'll make you wanna say, I got fever, running like a fire. For you, I will go all the way. I'm gonna take you higher. Keep it steady, is how I feel it. This beat is heavy, so heavy, you gon' feel it. You are the reason that I breathe. You are the reason that I still believe. You are my destiny. Take No, there is nothing that can stop us. Nothing can ever come between us. So come and dance with me. Take
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of you, tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. I left the bonus light on every rain. I love my driving came from. You put me on believer.
When you got nothing to eat and you find it hard to sleep, how you struggle on the streets and you can't escape the heat, but your heart can feel that beat, so you get up off your feet. Ain't no mountain you can't reach. Grab a star and make a wish. We celebrating and we waving all our rags. We are united even though we different flags. We all are one voice, one heart, one soul. Once we set that goal, you know we gonna start. Here we go. Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, that was St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Next we have St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce the awardees of different hospitals under the Mega Health Insurance Scheme in convergence with the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. May I call out the respective hospitals to please come forward and receive the awards from our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister. Under the PHC category, Dangar PHC has been selected as the top performing PHC in the Khasi Hills division. Under the Community Health Center category, Mauplang CHC has been selected as the top performing CHC in the Khasi Hills division. Under the District Hospital category, Ganesh Das MCH Hospital has been selected as the top performing hospital in the Khasi Hills division. Under the private hospital category, Nazareth Hospital has been selected as the top performing hospital in Khasi Hills division. May I request our Honorable Chief Minister, the chief guest for today's program, to kindly give away the awards to the respective hospitals. Ladies and gentlemen, let us support with a round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are also proud to announce the winners of the March Past competition in this year's Independence Day celebration. We request the winners of the March Past and also the band competition to kindly proceed to the dais after the completion of the cultural item by St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. In the third place, we have St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Jayao. In the second place, we have BSF Girls Higher Secondary School, Shillong. And the champion in this year's Independence Day celebration is Loreto Convent. In the band category, in the third place, we have Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School. In the second place, we have St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School. And the champion band is Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, Maulai. We request the contingent commanders to kindly proceed to the dais while St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School is giving their cultural presentation. To celebrate this momentous occasion of Independence Day, the students of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School will present a vibrant and heartfelt cultural dance performance that embodies the living spirit of patriotism. The dance honors the strength and grace of Indian women and is also a moving tribute to the valor and sacrifice of our freedom fighters and the Indian National Army, whose courage laid the foundation of the free India we cherish today. The dance also celebrates the rich and varied diversity of India. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the students of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong.
3, 2, 1, 0.
तुझे सलाम
से बड़ी, मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी। हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का। जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं, हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का। बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रेबल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। टोपी का हाथ मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तो मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा, झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो शुक्र हो, जय हो गाने दे, जय हो गाने दे, जय हो मेलोडी। Ahora conmigo tú baila para hoy, por nuestro día te olvidas los problemas, lo que sea. ¡Salud! ¡Baila, baila!
Thank you, St. Anthony's School, for that wonderful performance. May I now request the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly give away the awards to the winning contingents in this year's Independence Day celebrations. In the 3rd place, we have St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Jayao, Shillong. Can we have a round of applause for St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School? In the 2nd place, we have BSF Girls Higher Secondary School, Umpling, Shillong. And ladies and gentlemen, the champions of this year's Independence Day Parade, the contingent from Loreto Convent. In the band category, in the 3rd place, we have Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School. In the 2nd place, we have St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School. And ladies and gentlemen, the champions, Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, Maulai, Shillong. Third lined up in our presentation is the Auxilium School Marching Band, which is a vibrant and dynamic ensemble that embodies the spirit of school pride and community. Comprised of dedicated students from grades 6 to 12, the band performs at various events throughout the year, including school functions, parades, and competition. Under the patronage of the school, the band has grown in skill and reputation, showcasing their musical talents and energetic performance. It was a humble beginning starting in the year 2019 with an initial enrollment of 22 students. The marching band has grown and improved with each passing year, achieving many milestones in its journey. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the NCC Auxilium School Marching Band performance to enthrall us all with their beautiful display. Thank you, Auxilium Girls Band, for that wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a thunderous applause for the girls of Auxilium Higher Secondary School? Next in the lineup, we have the cultural troupe of Pines Bound School Shillong, who will be presenting us with a cultural fusion dance. It gives us immense pleasure to introduce to you a performance that is a vibrant tapestry of tradition, rhythm and unity, a cultural fusion that brings together the soul of Meghalaya with the classical grace of Indian heritage. Presenting before you a mesmerizing dance ensemble that blends the rich and spirited folk traditions of the Khasi, Jaintia and the Gao tribes, known for their deep-rooted cultural expressions. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the students of Pine Mine School, Shillong.
परिपालय
Thank you, Pine Mount School, for that scintillating and elegant performance. We are truly proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the next cultural item is a dance from Little Flower School. The school's cultural troupe will be performing to the popular classic song Aa Ori. With poetic reverence, the dance honors the courage of our ancestors who fought with their bare hands and gave their lives for their motherland. It echoes resilience. To yang, what yang? Rande, what bread? Rise, do not cry. Endure, do not retreat. Each verse speaks of sacred roots and an identity that must never fade. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the children of Little Flower School, Shillong.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Apa
Thank you, Little Flower School, for that very spirited performance. Ladies, can we have a huge round of applause for the students of Little Flower School?
Next in the cultural program lineup, we have the NCC team represented by the Seven Huts School, who will be performing a cultural dance, Kameram O. Meram O, which means Mother Earth, reflects the deep connection of the Khasi people with nature and the environment. In the Khasi culture, land is revered as it is considered that it is a provider of food, water and shelter to all living beings. On this, our Independence Day, the NCC Junior Wing Cadets of Seven Hut School under the 61st Meghalaya Girls Battalion wish to remind us that freedom is never free. Through their heartfelt dance performance, these young cadets call upon every citizen of this great nation to remind them that we all share a collective responsibility, that is to honor the sacrifices of our forefathers by safeguarding the land for future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, Seven Huts School. big round of applause for the NCC represented by the 7 Hut School.